The Mahapanchayat is basically a call to the government, a wake-up call to the government that the people of Uttarakhand and everybody who wants justice for Ankita Bhandari is collecting in Dehradun, and nobody can stop anybody now from seeking justice because the Chief Minister himself is responsible for the destruction of evidence because he ordered for Vanantara Resort to be demolished, but it wasn't demolished completely. Only Ankita Bhandari's room was demolished. Those evidences are still available, and what he has done is brought Anil Joshi into the picture, and on his FIR the CBI investigation is going on, which is unacceptable completely, because if Ankita Bhandari does not get justice, that means no daughter of Uttarakhand, no woman of Uttarakhand, no girl child of Uttarakhand, no youth of Uttarakhand, and I include the boys and young people of Uttarakhand, they will not be able to get justice. And that is why the Punch is here, and the Punch on stage is basically 5 people from different parts of Uttarakhand who are working in the field of protecting girls, in the field of human trafficking, etc. And today, because this is an apolitical program, even political parties are giving it support, and you will not see any flags over here. That clearly shows that when we come together as a society, we talk about Uttarakhand and justice for Uttarakhand's daughters.
Ma'am, last few days we've seen back-to-back 3 murders. In all the cases, the victims were women. So, what do you think for a women city in Dehradun city? How safe is Dehradun for women? What's your take?
Not at all. Dehradun has become one of the most unsafe places in not just Uttarakhand but the country, because this is the capital of Uttarakhand, and if 3 murders are taking place the way they did, people are just getting trigger happy, weapon happy, and they're attacking people. What does that show? That shows that people are not scared of the law, and if they know somebody in the BJP, they know that they are in power, so nobody can harm them, and they will be let off very easily. Especially in this case, I would say that when you have IPS officers, they are trained for a particular job, but the Chief Minister, he has appointed PPS promotees, and I have no problem with them, but in a situation like this, you see the problems that the PPS promotees are not being able to handle, whether it is Dehradun, Nainital, or I beg your pardon, Udham Singh Nagar or Haridwar. So these 3 places, that is Dehradun, Udham Singh Nagar and Haridwar, are the main districts of Uttarakhand. And if you look around what is happening, there is loot, there is dacoity, there are murders, there is corruption by the government, the bhoo mafia or the land mafia. They are brazenly destroying Uttarakhand. The environment is getting destroyed. So I feel that these people are not being able to control the law and order, and especially in Dehradun, where the DGP sits, the IG sits, and the SSP is there. Can I blame only the SSP? No, I can't. It is the DGP who is solely and wholly responsible for the state of affairs today.